Hello, Grade 10 Careers. Welcome to the course. This is the first of a bunch of the intro videos that I'll be shooting for you guys to introduce you to units. I'll be doing one for each of the 9 units that we do. That way you know what there is in the unit, each unit, and what it is you're responsible for, what it is you're going to do, and how you're going to do it. First and foremost, this is the course overview for the course. So if you want to go in, this kind of shows you what the breakdown of the marks are and how the course kind of lays out. When you come down here to Unit 1, this is our first unit, and this is the intro video for that unit. So on the website, when you're looking at it, all of your unit guides will be here. On the left side, your videos, the intro videos that I'm shooting right now will be right underneath those guides. So you just have to click on those to watch them. And then all the additional resources that you need will be on the right side. If you're doing this on your cell phones, this will all show up as one column. So on the computer screen, it shows up as 2 columns. On your cell phone, it'll just be one continuous column. So if I want to get over here to the Unit 1 supplementary resources for careers, I have to scroll right down to the end of this first column until I get to the end after Unit 9, and it'll start the second column right underneath here will be Unit 1 supplementary resources. So that's if you're on your phone. If you're on a computer, obviously, or a tablet, it'll show up as 2 columns. Okay, so let's get into Unit 1. Unit 1, when you open it up, as usual, in all your unit guides, your assessments are right here. I'm going to walk you through the entire unit right now. When you go to the seminar, the first seminar, I will introduce you to careers, or you can watch this video. That's basically the same thing as the seminar. Activity 1 is you're going to read page 2 in your textbook. Page 2 is right here on the website. If you want to just click that open, it's basically a PDF file that you can read, okay? Or you can get a textbook out of the classroom. So you read page 2, and then you're going to be doing answering these questions. Then you're going to draw a sketch, and this is called a self-portrait, kind of where you see yourself 15 years from now. Now, this assignment is pretty important because it's actually going to go into your portfolio at the end of the class. Unit number 9 is you build a professional portfolio, and you're going to be tucking this into that. So try and do as well of a job as you can. You don't have to draw this or sketch it. If you'd rather go find a picture on Google Images, just something that represents you 15 years from now, and then you have to, write up a little bit of why you feel that's applicable. Okay, so you can either draw it by hand, or you can just go find yourself a little bit of a picture, but make sure you answer these questions really well because they're going to go together with the picture when you plug them into your portfolio. Okay. Then you're going to go on to the third assignment, read pages 4 and 5 in your textbook. Those pages are right here. I click those and open those the same way. And you're going to answer these questions about Catherine's story, which is found on those pages in your textbook. Those are your questions that you need to complete for that. Then you're going to go to Activity 2.2, which is page 8 in your textbook right here. And you're going to fill in this decision-making scale. When you come down here and it asks you what conclusions can you come to based on your answers, don't just tell me, I like logical thinking. No, I can see that in the way that you tick this stuff off. So if you X over here, you X over here, you X over here, I can see all that. I can see your answers. When you answer this question, what do those answers mean? What does that say about you in a bigger picture? Okay, so that's what I'll be looking for. This doesn't have to be a long answer, 1 or 2 sentences, but what's the big picture? Are there certain scenarios where you use logical thinking? Are there other scenarios when you use intuition? Intuition is basically your instinct. When you make a decision, you use the first thing that pops in your head. You go with your gut. You trust your gut. Logical thinking is exactly what it sounds like. You think your way through the process logically. Okay. Activity 3, you're going to make a life map. You're basically just going to go from arrow to arrow, and each one of these arrows is going to be a significant event in your life. These can be successes, these can be failures, these can be first steps, rites of passage, basically big memories from your life that changed you as a person. And what I mean by that is you're going to write these instances in, you're going to put the dates, when they happened, what they were, but then down here, you're going to answer questions about how they changed you. So as you jump from each one of these instances, I don't want you to just write down the title. So right here, you might be saying, got honor roll in grade 6. Well, when you put made honor roll in grade 6, I want you to put one sentence about what you learned from that. What skill did you gain from that experience? What happened there? Okay, so when you're doing this, don't just write what happened, but tell me something you learned, why it was an important experience for you. And I want you to do each one of these arrows will be important jumps or events that happened in your life. Once you're done with that life map, you're going to answer these questions about it, and I'm going to mark that. Okay. The next activity is straight from your textbook, page number 15. Okay. There's a diagram just like this one. The definition for career is in there. This is basically fill in the blanks from page 15 in your textbook. Once you're done with that, you're done with the unit. Let me know if you have any questions.